Hello crafters, we are thrilled to be back with this Life is Abundant album kit walkthrough. You can see this is an extra special album kit featuring not only one album but two albums along with this amazing little album caddy. To create all three of these projects, you can pick up this kit on our website at g45papers.com. And with that kit, you're gonna get all the supplies you need to create this, plus this easy to follow project sheet where you can create these three projects. Let's rip into this Life is Abundant album kit. Oh, of course, you're gonna get the Graphic 45 zip top bag. And then you're gonna get, of course, this limited edition Life is Abundant button, let your dreams take flight. How much fun will this be on your little crafting apron or tote bag? Your bronze binding ring, you get 4 of those. The step-by-step instructions. The Life is Abundant 12 by 12 collection pack. You're gonna get 24 double-sided sheets in here, 2 for each month. You can see there's great, gorgeous cut aparts, and each month has a wonderful B-side. Along with a 12 by 12 sticker sheet. The Graphic 45 black chipboard sheets, you get 10 of these, and they're a nice medium weight. And then last but not least, the Life is Abundant patterns and solids. So this patterns and solids is a great 12 by 12, and you can see so many great colors and imagery to be used. But the most special part of this is this patterns and solids comes with these calendar grids. So you get 2 sheets of each, and those will be used beautifully in the album. So you can pick up this kit on our website at g45papers.com or down at your local Graphic 45 retailer. With this project sheet, the first thing you are going to do is you're going to create this caddy using the Graphic 45 black chipboard sheets. These projects were created by Carla La Vera. So you can see these directions are going to walk you right through, giving you all the dimensions and step-by-step directions. And then we're going to create the album duo using that project sheet. So starting with our album number 1, you can see there's a beautiful cover using some of that chipboard to elevate these pieces, just giving it a nice little pop of dimension on the front and adding that nice matting to your cover. You're going to use 2 of the 4 binding rings that come in that kit. I love how Carla did this, creating the little holes at the top, just giving it that nice, classy, unique feel. And then opening that up, we've got a great space here for your photo mat, and your January papers are starting off. So you're going to follow this template, and it's going to be easy once you get the hang of it. So you can see January has the January calendar on the back, and then you've got this January pocket page here. So a lot of space for your January photos. And then you're going to follow that same pattern with February and all the way to December. So let me now walk you through here. So we've got this nice little January circle here and cut apart. Got this gorgeous grow bloom plant border over here with more great photo opportunities. Your January calendar on the back has a built-in pocket here and another photo mat. You can just slide that in there. Of course, you could also slide in more photos. And then these pocket pages are made from our nice heavy duty papers. And inside you've got a 6 by 4 photo mat. Flip that over and you've got a great spot for another photo here. And then we're on to our next month. So we've got February, and this flips out. Stay true to your roots. And this is on that nice black chipboard sheet with the calendar pocket on the back. What we think we become. Another pocket page. And on the back, there's a great little nature does not hurry, yet everything is accomplished sticker. I love all these fun sentiments in this collection. Really celebrating nature, the outdoors, as well as the months. So this is our March page. Be Here Now sticker down here. We've got two different green sheets that complement each other just perfectly. Be Here Now. And then our March pocket. Just love how Carla did some of the pockets with the opening on the right and some of them on the top, mixing it up. And then on the back here, another great photo mat and this sticker here. Of course, if you wanted to leave the space open so you could slide in a photo underneath the sticker, you could always mat the sticker on some cardstock or some of your leftover scrap papers. Here's our April page. This great plant kindness border here. Our April calendar page, Dwell in Possibility. Adopt the pace of nature, her secret is patience. And another 6x4 photo mat. Another sticker. Another great opportunity to mat this so you could slide in your photos underneath. Unless, of course, you are putting down your photos as you create the album. May. Joy and gratitude. So in the comments, we'd love to hear how you're going to be using up your album. Maybe you're going to commemorate your 2023 photos, put them down. Maybe you'll be doing it along with 2024. Be a great nature journal or inspiration planner. I also love the idea of keeping all your birthdays and important dates in here as a reference with some photos of those special people and events. This is our June, which is the last of the months in album number 1. Trust the seeds you are planting. In all things of nature, there is something of the marvelous. Blessed by Nature sticker on the back here. And then another great opportunity for a photo mat with this great little border here. So album 2 is going to be such a cinch to make because you're just following that same recipe for your album number 1. We've got some more matted pieces here, adding that nice texture. And then open this up. We've got another little border, Seek Simplicity. And then we're kicking this off with our July. Let life be about creating yourself. Go confidently in the direction of your dreams. This is a great sticker here. Miracles are everywhere. August. And what we think we become up here. But just like when you spread it all out, it just all comes together so nice and cohesively, which is one of the things we love about Carla's work. Life is abundant. Love the world as your own self, then you can truly care for all things. What we think we become. Another great thing that you can do if you don't want it to be a sticker on the back, you can always take some baby powder or cornstarch flour, something like that, and rub it on the back of your sticker, and then just use your adhesive in a L shape. That way it'll act as a tuck spot. September. Adopt the pace of nature. The universe is wider than our views of it. Another sticker back here. October. Let your dreams take flight. Let nature be your teacher. And this is a fun way to take this frame sticker here and just add it a little dimension and curiosity there. November. Nature is pleased with simplicity. And our November paper was by far the most popular so far from this collection, and you can really see why when you see that cute B-side, those owls and mushrooms. If you truly love nature, you will find beauty everywhere. This cute little banner sticker up here. And our last month, December. Everything is hard before it is easy. The journey of 1,000 miles starts beneath your feet. Some little stamp stickers in that bottom corner, and then another great spot for a photo to bring in the year. And there you have our second album. And there is a space for both album 1 and album 2 in your album storage caddy. So we hope you have a blast creating these projects with your Life is Abundant album kit. Be sure to share your projects with us on Instagram by tagging Graphic45. And if you're looking for more Life is Abundant creative fun, be sure to pick up the card kit as well. We thank you for joining us, and as always, happy paper crafting.